Good morning students. In this video I want to explain about the section formula. Consider the line segment AB, the point A as x1 y1 and the end point B as x2 y2. Now this line segment divided by the point C anywhere. Now in this line segment we get two portions or two parts or two sections. One is AC and another one is CB. So the point divides the line segment. Now the point C divides the line segment AB into two parts. Consider the part AC in the ratio M1 and the other part CB in the ratio M2. So the point C divides the line segment AB into two parts or two sections in the ratio of M1 and M2. So M1 is M2. The point C divides the line segment into two parts. So two parts mean we can consider it is a bisection because it's divided two parts. Bisection means two parts. So the line segment AB is divided into AC and CB. Now consider the same line segment AB. The point C divides the line segment somewhere and another point D is divides the line segment somewhere. So now we have three parts or three sections or three portions. One is AC, another portion is CD, another part is DB. So the line segment AB is divided into three parts or three sections: AC, CD, DB. One portion is AC, other portion is CD, and the final one is DB. So the line segment divided into three parts. So we can call it as trisection. Previous one is bisection because the line segment is divided into two sections, but in this part the line segment AB is divided into three parts, so we can call it as trisection. Now the section formula is P of x comma y. P is the point which divides the line segment. M1 is the ratio of the first one, M2 is the ratio of the second part. So M1 into x2 plus M2 into x1 by M1 plus M2, comma M1 into y2 plus M2 into y1 by M1 plus M2. Here the denominators are same, M1 plus M2. The numerator, first you can take M1 into x2 plus M2 into x1, comma M1 into y2 plus M2 into y1. Using this formula we can solve the problems. Exercise 7.2, question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides a join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Now in exercise 7.2, question number 1, find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. In this problem, we want to find the point, that is P, which divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. So put 2 in the part AP and put 3 in the part PB. Now the formula is P of x comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now applying the values we can get the point P. First write P of x comma y as it is. Then for m1 write 2 and for x2 4 plus m2. For m2 write 3. x1, for x1 write minus 1 by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 3 comma m1, that is 2, y2, for y2 write minus 3 plus m2, for m2 write 3 into y1, for y1 7 is here, write 7 by m1 plus m2, m1 is 2, m2 is 3, so 2 plus 3. Now simplifying this one we can get the answer. Now 2 into 4 8, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, so 8 minus 3 by 2 plus 3 5 comma 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6 plus 3 into 7, that is 21 divided by 5. Now 8 minus 3, that is 5, 5 divided by 5 comma minus 6 plus 21, signs are different, so subtract 6 from 21, it gives 15, 15 by 5. Now by using 5 table we can simplify this one. 5 divided by 5, that is 1, 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15, 1 comma 3. So the point which divides the line segment AB is 1 comma 3. Question number 2. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. Exercise 7.2, question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides a join of minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. Now listen the question number 2. Here there are 2 points, 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. Now let the line segment as A and B. A is 4 comma minus 1 and B is minus 2 comma minus 3. They mentioned here trisection, that is the line segment has 3 parts. One is AP and another part is PQ, then the last part is QB. Now AP, PQ, QB are all equal. Trisection, always you consider the point P divides the line segment, the ratio 1:2, 1 plus 2, 3. That is trisection. like that at the point Q. 2:1, 2 plus 1, 3. So trisection mean always consider the point divide the line segment AB in the ratio 1:2. Q divides the line segment in the ratio 2:1. Now taking the points A 4, -1 and the point B -2, -3. Now take the point A as x1, y1 and B as x2, y2. The ratio here is 1:2. So P divides the line segment in the ratio of 1:2. So M1:M2 is 1:2. We know the section formula P of x, y equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. Now just apply the values. For M1, write 1. Then x2, for x2 write -2. Applying the above values in this formula, we can get the answer. P of x, y equal to, for M1 write 1, for x2 write -2 plus M2, that is 2. For x1 write 4 by M1 plus M2, that is 1 plus 2. Like that M1 is 1, y2 that is -3 plus M2 that is 2, y1 that is -1 by M1 plus M2 that is 1 plus 2. P of x, y equal to 1 into -2, that is -2 plus 2 into 4, 8 by 1 plus 2, 3. 1 into -3 plus 2 into -1, that is -2 by 3. -2 plus 8, symbols are different. 8 minus 2, that is 6 by 3. Similar symbols, -3 plus -2, that is -5 by 3. By cancelling 6 and 3, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Here we can't cancel 5 by 3, so write as it is 5 by 3. So the point P is 2, -5 by 3. Now like the previous one, take the points A 4, -1 and B -2, -3. The point Q divides the line segment AB in the ratio of 2:1. The ratio only change here. M1 is M2 is 2:1. Now we are going to apply this value in the section formula. Q of x, y equal to, for m1 write 2 x2, that is minus 2, plus m2 write 1, for x1 write 4, by m1 plus m2. m1 is 2, m2 is 1. m1 write 2, for y2 minus 3, plus m2, that is 1, for y1 write minus 1, by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 1. Now 2 into minus 2, minus 4, plus 1 into 4, 4, by 2 plus 1, 3, comma, minus 6, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, by 3, minus 4 plus 4, symbols are different, so 0 by 3, comma, minus 7 by 3. We know that 0 by anything is 0, comma, minus 7 by 3. That is the answer of Q.